So, Lemon8 is a very interesting application. It's made by the same people who made TikTok. It was banned and now it's unbanned. So, if you want to go and use it, this is basically how to do it. Number one, you're going to have to download the application. So, make your way over to your App Store, your Google Play Store, and all you want to do is just type in Lemon8 like this, and you'll be able to find it. Now, like I said, this is a lifestyle type of application. So when you open it up for the first time, it's going to tell you to log in and try to put in some preferences that you might prefer. So go through in here, kind of write out what you want to write out, and you can input what you want to input. And then after that, it'll take you into this page. Now, this first page is basically just a For You page, just like TikTok. So it gives you a lot of information and a lot of things that you can kind of see and what you like. So if you like something, you can just go ahead and just basically just open it up like this. And you can go ahead and swipe through it. You can go ahead and like certain posts. You can save them, like it, comment on them, and share them. So within every post, you can save it right here, like it, comment, or share. Totally depends on what you want to do here. If you want to make your way over to their profile, you can also click up here. You can jump straight into their profile and you can follow them. You can jump them, you can see straight on their TikTok account as well. And then you can also, see their likes and all that stuff. Now clicking back out, you can also go through and the second page is a search button. This button and this button do the exact same thing. So you can search right up here or you can search right down here. So they both basically take you into the same spot almost. And from here, you can search for wherever you want to. So you can search for a certain page, you can search for a certain trend, anything like that. You can go through and kind of see what you like. So if you want to do K-pop bedroom decor, you can click right here and jump straight into this page too. And it gives you the same type of thing, and you can go to accounts and hashtags. Clicking back out over here, you can also see that there's a plus button. This plus button, similar to TikTok, similar to all these other ones, they allow you to go through and post content. So when you're here, you can go through and kind of scroll around. You can bring in videos and photos and all those things, and you can go and post them just like how you can do on TikTok and Instagram and all these other platforms as well. So that's another really cool thing. Clicking the X button, you have this notification button right here. So you can see all sorts of other notifications that you might have. So you can go through here and you can find all these other accounts and all those things that you can kind of find here as well. You can see your followers, your messages that you're getting. You can see all that information right here. And then at the very end, you'll see your own profile icon right here. So this is your profile. You can go and customize this whichever way you want to. And if you want, you can come right into here. You can edit up your profile. You can share your profile. You can follow, you can see how many followers you have and all this other account information here too. So that at its core is how you use Lemon8. You can go through and kind of use this whichever way you want to, but at the core, that's how you use it. It's a very, very basic process. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.